Scan and QR code winner 25 rand. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Usandile. Yeah. Trip check. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, TS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by Usandile.
Stivo.
Yeah.
Let's start from yesterday.
Start, my brother.
Angabina skhathi ukubona because bese Polokwane khumbula.
Yes, man.
Before sikhuluma ngegame ya today.
Yes.
Pirates is playing, man.
Yes.
I don't wanna lie. Basikhombe igame lemnanzi yesterday and we enjoyed.
Yes.
Well played. We must give credit where it's due, man.
Yeah, shiny flag. Shiny flag.
Ukuza kule game leya namhlanje Sithibo, I'm a KC supporter yabona, but because TS Galaxy is from home, that's why I decided ukuthi ngigqoke so that ngibe neutral. But otherwise i-team yethu i-Chiefs thina sivulele kakhulu lamlonyeni lapha sikude lutho yabona. I don't want to lie to you, and then if singazama ukuthi sifocus more on ukuthi mangabe la matches mhlambe seswa creative sibone ukuthi siwa convert, because now if you can check we had so many chances but no goal.
Silver, man.
But it's in the funny league. That's the league, so Sithibo. Let's defend the Nedbank Cup. What's that? But I won't say much because I'm a supporter, but Vele bye.
I can't
next year, Sithibo. Let's go home and be safe. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Don't remember. I said to you, next year, siya ku World Cup. So long imenjalo. Ama fans to TV. Siyahamba siya le. Khumbula 2010. Yaphinda Sithibo.
Kulaka my pride mathini.
World Cup usamba na Sithibo. Sithibo. Ama fans to TV to the World Cup.
Yes, man. Scan and QR code winner 25 rand.